Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your US bank account to another bank. Whether you're sending money to a friend, paying bills, or just managing your finances across accounts, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few essentials: access to your US bank online account or mobile app, the recipient's bank details like their account number and routing number, and of course, the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you double-check all info to avoid any hiccups. Nobody likes a bounced transfer. Step 1. Log into your US bank account. If you're on the website, head to usbank.com and enter your credentials. If you prefer the app, open it up on your phone and sign in securely. Once you're in, look for the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select the option for External Transfer or Transfer to another bank. This might be under a submenu, so keep an eye out. You'll then need to add the recipient's bank details if you haven't already. Enter their bank's routing number, account number, and the name on the account. Pro tip: if it's your first time, you might have to verify the external account, which could take a day or two. Now, specify the amount you want to transfer and choose when you want it to happen, immediately or on a future date. Review everything carefully. US Bank often shows a summary screen to catch any errors. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. Keep in mind, there might be fees for external transfers, so check your bank's policy beforehand. Transfers typically process within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the banks involved. And that's it, you've successfully moved money between banks. Remember, always monitor your accounts for security, and if you run into any issues, US Bank's customer support is there to help. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your go-to money transfer hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.